Have you ever heard of biofabrication? It's an emerging field of research that involves the use of biological systems to create functional materials and structures. This cutting-edge technology has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, from healthcare to manufacturing to architecture. At its core, biofabrication involves the use of living cells, biomaterials, and bioprinting technologies to create complex, functional structures. This can include everything from artificial organs and tissue to building materials and even food. One of the most exciting areas of research in biofabrication is the development of 3D bioprinting, a process that involves the precise layer-by-layer deposition of living cells and biomaterials to create complex structures. This technology has already been used to create functional heart tissue, bone, cartilage, and even blood vessels. Another area of biofabrication research that shows great promise is the development of lab-grown meat. By using animal cells to create muscle tissue in the lab, researchers are exploring a more sustainable and ethical way to produce meat for human consumption. This technology has the potential to greatly reduce the environmental impact of meat production and provide a more humane alternative to traditional animal agriculture. In addition to its potential in the healthcare and food industries, biofabrication is also being explored as a way to create sustainable and eco-friendly building materials. Researchers are working on using living organisms, such as fungi and bacteria, to create building materials that are self-healing, adaptive, and biodegradable. One of the challenges of biofabrication is the need for biocompatible materials and the ability to control the behavior of living cells. Researchers are working to overcome these challenges by developing new biomaterials and refining bioprinting technologies. As biofabrication continues to evolve, it has the potential to transform many different industries and have a profound impact on our lives. From improving healthcare to reducing our environmental footprint, this exciting field of research is worth keeping an eye on. Have you ever thought about what the future could hold if we could use living cells to create sustainable building materials, lab-grown meat, and even human organs? Biofabrication is a fascinating field of research that is making this vision a reality. So, why not join the discussion and learn more about this exciting technology? Thanks for watching. If you enjoy watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to check out more videos from this channel.